Welcome to this introductory Google Forms session for Wake Forest University. This module will provide an overview of surveys, assessments, and questionnaires created in Google Forms inside of Google Drive. We're even going to create one together. Google Forms is a terrific collaboration tool that professors can use to poll, survey, or test students and keep track of student answers for later analysis. Let's begin. To get to Google Forms, you must first be in Google Drive. And we'll get to Drive by going to drive.google.com in our internet browser and logging in with our Wake Forest University email credentials. We'll start by clicking on the red Create button. And notice when I do that, I also have several other Drive options, such as creating folders to organize ourselves here in Drive, documents, presentations, and so on. But for this module, we'll go ahead and choose Form. In the title and theme box that appears, we're going to choose Default just to create a simple form and give it the title Student Surveys. And we'll click OK to proceed. Before we begin creating our form, let's first talk about the form settings at the top of the page. If your form will only be used by those at Wake Forest University, make sure to check off the Require Wake Forest University login to view the form. If you'll be sharing this form with people outside of Wake Forest University, be sure to uncheck this box. In the second box, you'll want to decide whether or not to collect the respondent's Wake Forest University username from their response. If it's supposed to be an anonymous survey, be sure to uncheck this box. Third, you can decide whether or not you want to show the progress bar at the bottom of form pages to show students, faculty, or whoever is taking the survey the progress in the survey. Next, we'll create our survey. Here for question title is where you'll type the question that you want to ask of your students or other participants. So for this first one, we'll ask, how did you hear about this class? If this was a quiz or a test that we were giving to students, we could provide some help text to nudge them along. Question type, I'm going to enter in just a free-form text field here, or rather I want students to be able to enter in just free-form to let me know how they heard about the class. And we'll say that this is a required question and add another item. For the next question title, let's ask, how would you rate this class? Notice here on the right-hand side, if I wanted to edit this question later on, duplicate it further down in the form, or to delete it, I can do that right here on the right-hand side. This question type will choose multiple choice and give the options of excellent, good, average, and poor. And then we'll say that we're done. So this is a nice and short survey. Now that we're done creating our form, we have some options. We can publish the form and show a public link to form results and allow responses to be edited after they're submitted. So we'll click on Send Form. This will be the link that we can copy to share with others. We can also share via Google+, Facebook, or Twitter, or to send this form via email. We could just enter names, email addresses, and so on to send this form directly from within Google Forms. And for now, we're done. Remember, you can always access your form from your Google Drive page. To learn how to collect the results of your form survey, questionnaire, or assessment, check out our tutorial entitled Google Forms: Receiving and Organizing Responses.